This is Harper Industries. We make ag, turf, and hydraulic products right here in Kansas. 20 years ago, we, as employees, bought our business here from a company over there. We were founded in Kansas in the 60s, and it felt like it was time to bring ownership back, locally. 20 years later, we're in business and thriving. We've expanded. We've made new products. We've added employees. We've had lots of food and a little fun along the way. And maybe sometimes a little too much fun. Anyway, we've created good jobs for our community, people in rural Kansas. And we've made quality products for people around the world. And we're proud of that. So many people have made this a success. So we want to say thanks.
Thanks for everything.
Thanks.
Thank you.
For the past 20 years,
Our ideas, dedication, craftsmanship, and care.
make these high-quality Kansas-made machines.
Thank you so much.
You represent our products.
Build relationships
Think about where and how we can provide the best solutions.
everywhere.
Thanks for your trust in our product
We love that we can support your work and your livelihood.
And we want your ideas.
to make our products better.
We want to continue to be the best choice for your work.
Harper County, the farming community where we live and work, says a lot about who we are. Hard work, caring for each other, and being rooted in the land.
It's who we are, and it's who we continue to be. Thanks for your support. Here's to the next 20 years.